Hello guys, welcome to another section. In this section we are going to be evaluating and treating how we can set up what I call domain name servers. Now why I'm saying this is because there will be some certain situations whereby your hosting service provider will be different from your domain service provider. So in that case you might need to change the name servers of the domain so that they can point to the hosting. Now what does this mean? It just simply means that you need to enter into your hosting plan and get the name servers, the correct name servers. So I'm just going to go to namecheap.com and I will illustrate to you what I mean. So just sign into a Namecheap account, sign in there. So all you need to do is just get the name servers for your hosting plan. And how do you do that? You just simply need to contact your hosting service provider, chat with them and tell them to send you the name server values. You just text. That's all it is. 2, sometimes it's 4, but most times it's always 2. Now why I'm using this as an example is because of the fact that, for instance, this particular domain name was not bought with namecheap.com. It has a .ng extension, meaning I bought it from a Nigerian service provider. So Namecheap is the service provider for the hosting, while another site is the service provider for the domain name. Now let's go and check out where I bought the domain name from, and that's SmartWeb Nigeria. So just check out SmartWeb Nigeria and let's see how we can view our domain name, so that you see how the name servers work and how they look like. Once the hosting company give you your values, the name servers, all you need to do is just go and place it in a certain area that I'm about to show you now. So this is let me log into my SmartWeb account, and then you just go straight to where your domains are. Just select your domains, select the active ones. Just select them, select the active ones, select active. Now before you buy .com.ng is the domain here, and for you to be able to see, just click here and then you click on manage name servers. Just manage name servers. It's always in every domain service provider. Any service provider you're using, they always have this. So in this area you can see you can either choose to use the default name servers that come with the service provider. For instance, if my hosting and my domain name was both with smartweb.com.ng, I would be using the default name servers. But because of the fact that my hosting plan is with Namecheap, I have to use Namecheap name servers, and this is what the Namecheap name servers look like: dns1.namecheaphosting.com, dns2.namecheaphosting.com. As you can see, there are still other spaces for other values, but this is what was given to us by Namecheap. So just copy it and place it in the relevant area 1 and 2, and then you click on save or change name servers, and then your change takes effect. You can see the notice that was given to us here. You can change where your domain points to here. Please be aware that changes can take up to 24 hours to propagate. In some cases it's actually less than 24 hours. It depends on the kind of hosting service you are using. For foreign hosts it's less than 24 hours, just a matter of a couple of hours, but for Nigerian hosts it can actually take up to 24 hours. So this is what I would just like you to understand and note. If you are using a different hosting service provider from your domain, you always will need to make sure that you point the domain to the name servers of your hosting company. So you can see right now our hosting is with Namecheap, but our domain is with smartweb.com.ng. I hope you understood everything that was said in this section. Thank you for watching.